Unit 19.
Conversation.
What time did Tom get up?
He got up at 7 o'clock.
What day was it?
It was Tuesday.
Was it a school day?
Yes, it was.
What did he do?
He took a shower.
What did he do then?
Then he brushed his teeth.
What did he do next?
Next, he combed his hair.
What did he do after that?
After that, he had breakfast.
What did he eat?
He ate eggs and toast.
What did he drink?
He drank a cup of tea. What day is today?
Today is Thursday.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Wednesday.
What day is today?
Today is Saturday.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Friday.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday.
What day is today?
Today is Tuesday.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Monday. What time did Tom leave his house?
Tom left his house at 8 o'clock.
What did he wear?
He wore his overcoat.
Why did he wear his overcoat?
Because it was a cold day.
How did he go to the bus?
He walked to the bus stop.
Who did he meet? Dick and Bill.
He met his friends, Dick and Bill.
Where did he meet them?
He met them at the bus stop.
How did they all go to school?
They all took the bus to school. What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Thursday.
Was it a good or bad day?
It was a bad day.
Why was it a bad day?
Because it was cold and windy.
What day was yesterday?
It was Friday.
Was it a good or bad day?
It was a good day.
Why was it a good day?
Because it was warm and sunny. What time did they get to school?
They got to school at 9:15.
Were they early or late?
They were early.
Who was on the steps?
There were a lot of boys and girls on the steps.
Who did they see?
They saw their science teacher.
What did they say to him?
They said hello to him.
What happened then?
Then the bell rang.
What time was it?
It was 9 o'clock.
Where did the students go?
The students went to their classes.
What began?
Another school day began.
Dialogue.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You're late this morning.
Yes, I know.
What time did you get up?
Not until 8 o'clock.
Were you sick?
No, I just slept late.
Did you like this video? If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.